Move off and stop, flat surface. Let's prepare the car. With the left foot, push the left pedal, that's the clutch, down to the floor. Select first gear, bring your clutch pedal up to the bite. Once at the bite, keep your left foot still. We need to do our full 6-point safety check. Left blind spot, left mirror, road ahead, interior mirror, right blind spot. Indicate if necessary. Windscreen reference point is curb, left quarter windscreen. We'll be steering to 2 o'clock and then back to 10 o'clock and then 12 o'clock once we're parallel. Our vehicle will go from 1 foot away from the curb to 1 metre. Once our vehicle has reached 4 to 5 miles per hour, release the clutch pedal fully. With the right foot, press down 3 to 4 millimeters on the accelerator pedal and your car will build up speed. Looking ahead, we have to find a safe, convenient and legal place to park our car. Somewhere in this area on the left here. Check the interior mirror to see if we have any vehicles behind. Now check the left mirror to make sure nobody is passing us on our left. Indicate left. Foot off the accelerator, gently brake. We'll go from the curb at left quarter windscreen back to half windscreen. From 1 metre away, back to 1 foot away from the curb. Steer to 10 o'clock, then back to 2 o'clock, and then to 12 o'clock once we're parallel. Right foot to middle brake pedal, gently press down 3 to 4 millimeters on the brake pedal. Once our vehicle has reached 4 to 5 miles per hour, with the left foot, put the left pedal, that's the clutch, fully down. Once the car's in a safe position, brake to stop. Handbrake on, gear in neutral, and you can release the clutch pedal. Indicator off. Your vehicle is now parked, engine off.